Mae cyswllt ffermio yn falch o gyhoeddi cynlluniau i gefnogi cefnogi perfformiad mewn diadelloedd defaid Cymreig drwy Rhaglen Geneted Defaid Cymru. Farming Connect is excited to announce plans to support performance recording in Welsh sheep flocks through the new Welsh Sheep Genetics Programme. By working closely with world-leading genetic experts Innovis and AHDB Signet, the programme will focus on improving the efficiency of Welsh sheep flocks by increasing the number of sheep farmers participating in genetic improvement of their flocks.
Farming Connect is now searching for new flocks to join the programme, specifically Welsh Hill and Upland breeds, as well as pedigree flocks of blue-faced Leicesters, Llŷn, Romneys and Chamois Hill. Mae hwn yn gyfle gwych i fusnesau sydd eisoes yn cofnodi perfformiad neu'n gobeithio dechrau cofnodi, fanteisio ar gymorth cyswllt ffermio ym mhob agwedd ar y broses mwyn cynyddu cynaladwyedd eu busnes ar gyfer y dyfodol.
Using EBVs as a tool to improve specific traits can have a massive impact on flock productivity. Using the data collected to its full potential allows farmers to make justified decisions on where they can improve within their flocks, leading to greater financial returns for their businesses. Bydd diadelloedd sy'n cymryd rhan yn elwa o gefnogaeth amrywiol dros gydol y rhaglen 2 blynedd, gan gynnwys cymorth ariannol i gynorthwyo casglu data, cyngor ac arweiniad ar osod targedau cyrraddadwy ar gyfer gwella diadelloedd.
In addition to data collection to improve overall flock performance, participants will also be offered the opportunity to take part in groundbreaking research projects with the objectives of developing specific breeding traits for lower methane emissions and worm resistance in sheep.
For more information on eligibility and to apply, please visit the Farming Connect website. The window for applications is now open and the closing date for submitting an expression of interest is 12 p.m. on the 9th of June.